ultimate guide to blogs with helpful tips. What is a blog? Simply put, a blog is a tool that can help develop an online presence, attract leads, and engage with an audience. It's often a series of editorial content centered around a central topic that demonstrates industry expertise. Most of a blog's traffic is driven organically. In other words, consumers will search for something on a search engine and click on your blog if it matches their intended topic. However, there are a lot of organizations competing for your audience's attention, so it's important to create awesome content of value. KeywordGo Ultimate Blog Guide. In this post, this ultimate, step-by-step guide will share tips used by professional writers to create spellbinding posts that are adored by thousands. You'll learn the secrets to crafting irresistible headlines, seducing introductions, captivating advice, and motivational closings. In case you're organizing to start a new website, or if you already have a site, but it doesn't help you turn your visitors and potential buyers into real customers, then you should pay attention to your blog using these tips. Improve your online visibility. Believe it or not, internet searches have shown that blogging can play a vital role along with outbound links in the highest website ranking on search engines. Blogging is more important because it helps create crucial backlinks when other webmasters link to your website due to a well-written and useful blog. Rank highly in search engines. In the era of intense online competition, all website owners hope to get higher rankings on search engines like Yahoo, Google, and Bing, as they can get 10 visitors from their first page rankings on search engines by the keywords they point to. But blogging on a site can make or break your business, because merely getting visitors isn't enough for any business. These visitors must become real buyers for any business to be successful. A written blog can help very well because it makes your visitors stay longer on the website and follow them to take action by fascinatingly providing all the information. It answers visitors' questions or gives them with the solutions they are looking for, and guides them to take action. Promote the goodwill of your website. In addition to this well-written blog, you can improve the goodwill of your website and therefore, your business intent. It also helps make your website accessible and makes people visit your site over and over again. How to get the best blog for your website. Any site must have an excellent and unique blog. When developing a website, make sure you have a great blog for your visitors. However, you must ensure that your blogs are correctly optimized so that your website tops search engine results pages. There are 3 parts of your blog that you should focus on to get the best results from your SEO campaign: blog title, content, and resource box. Blog title. It is vital that you correctly optimize the title of your blog. That is because it is one of the first elements of a web page that search engines recognize. In case you need your blog to rank higher, put your keywords in your title as much as possible. But make sure your keywords naturally match the entire title. It will help both search engines and readers get a rough idea of your blog topic. It's also vital that your title is error-free because it will give you the quality of your blog entirely. No matter how amazing your blog is, if the reader detects a small grammatical error in the title, they will think that your blog is not worth reading. Blog body. In addition to the title, your blog's content is another crucial factor to consider if you aim to get first place in Google's search results. Make sure to use the correct keywords your readers are likely to use on search engines to find information related to your content. Using the right keyword density is an essential aspect of writing an SEO blog. Using a lot of keywords on your blog will make them look spam and can lead to SEO blocking, which means your efforts will do more harm than good. It is also vital to ensure that your keywords are naturally relevant in your blog. It should make sense with the rest of your blog content. Remember that your primary target audience is real people. So make sure your entire blog is not only keyword-rich but also readable. Resource box. The resource box is your chance to introduce yourself to your readers and tell them what action to take after reading your blog. It's called a call to action. In case your readers like your blog, they will save a few minutes or so to look at your resource box. And if you give them a compelling call to action, they will click on the links that will direct them to your website. Conclusion. Readers love a unique prospect written in an authentic style. To engage, write about your thinking and even feeling. If your blog posts are a series of news feeds and promotions, you will be losing your blog readers. Blogging is a great way to earn passive income, but you'll need a systematic approach to writing content quickly in order to produce high-quality content with a limited amount of time to invest in your site. This is our systematic approach for creating high-quality blog posts. Steps to blogging. Step 1. Decide what you want to write about. Step 2. Narrow down the topics with the most potential. Step 3. Check if you can rank. Step 4. Write an outline. Step 5. Write a rough draft. Step 6. Get feedback. Step 7. Revise your draft, repeat as needed. Step 8. Format and upload your post. Step 9. Polish your title and URL. If you just can't think of anything to write, or if you're stuck, just write about whatever pops into your head. After writing for a while and then looking back over what you wrote, you may have a much clearer idea of what to write about and how. Do you have tips about how to do something? Then break them down into easy steps, perhaps even in a bulleted or numbered list form. Ask questions and get the audience involved. The more readers comment, the better the blog. HubSpot has a great article. Important points. Create blog posts that serve your larger company goals. Write as you would talk. Show your personality, don't tell it. Make your point again and again. Start with a very specific working title. Use a specific post type, create an outline, and use headers. Use data and research to back up the claims you make in your posts. When drawing from others' ideas, cite them. Take 30 minutes to edit your post. At a certain point, just publish it. Blog consistently with the help of an editorial calendar. Focus on the long-term benefits of organic traffic. Add a subscription or membership to your blog and set up an email newsletter. Attention-grabbing headline. A good blog post is about one topic, one story, one idea. Not 57. Not 101. Just one. Before you begin blogging, figure out what you want to write about. Choose a mock headline to give yourself some structure. You can always change it later, and start writing. Good titles are interesting, descriptive, and engaging. It should read like a magazine headline or a TV news flash, daring the reader to click the link. Interesting supporting points. This is the body of the article. It's the meat of the post, what will back up your main topic or argument. Every story you tell or idea you share needs to have a supporting rationale, something the readers can sink their teeth into. They don't all need to neatly fit into a 3-point argument or a 7-step process, but you can't be all over the place. Consider what you want to say and how you will back it up. A great way to organize is to make a list of bullet points. Then, write the body of the post using these as your main sections. Awesome content will be rewarded. Rewards can come in the form of social shares or even inbound links. Use images. They are visually appealing and grab readers' attention and can keep them reading. Make sure you have a beginning, middle, and end. On Shopify, you have a built-in blog which is okay and free to create blogs in. I came from blogging on WordPress and on a website and find some things easy on Shopify and other things not so much. To begin, first check out the basics video below. This way you are either getting a refresher or starting off in it correctly. Please note that there are many types of blogs. The blog you are reading now and even the basic outlines given may need to be altered for your specific needs. Shopify blogs, how to start a blog on your Shopify store. Shopify blogs, how to start a blog on your Shopify store. In this video, we will look at how to write your first blog post for your Shopify store. Starting a blog around your brand, product or industry is a great way to add value and content to your site. Consistently writing content for your site will over time boost your search engine rankings and improve the SEO for your Shopify store. Using relevant keywords in your blog posts will increase your store SEO and the likelihood that visitors will find your store while searching online. The words you put on the page matter in an infinite number of ways, from search engine optimization to content quality, and more. But wait. How many words? If you need a number, we're talking 2,000 plus words, and while that may scare you, it shouldn't. We'll go into more detail on that soon. What you need to take away from this point is that great blog posts are meaty with more than just words. You'd be surprised how quickly the ball gets rolling when you're talking about something you love, so supplement it by making it super easy to read. Step 1, pick your idea. Step 2, write the perfect headline. Step 3, body by blogging, it's time to write. Step 4, images and design. How to embed a picture into a Shopify blog page. The video will show you how to make the picture look good on your blog page or a regular page. This video will give you step-by-step instructions on how to position your photo and wrap your text around it for a polished look. Planning. This is the part I do not cover in this video. Find a suitable image to post on with your copy. Upload the image using Files and click the Upload Files button. Open a blog page on menu, Online, Pages, click Add Page. Write your blog post copy. Save your work. It does not autosave. Now carefully follow the steps outlined in the video and you will learn how to add a photo and to position it within the text to make it look professional. Pro tip. Use the image alt text box. Put in a description of the photo as it relates to the blog to improve your SEO so your web content ranks better in Google. How to add a YouTube video to a Shopify blog post. Learn how to embed a video. Simple, easy to follow tutorial for Shopify stores. Your Shopify store has a blog in which you can videos. Adding videos from your YouTube channel will create backlinks which help your SEO ranking. Also, customers love videos. Make sure your video is linked back to your blog post. For additional bonus SEO juice, post a screenshot on Pinterest to both your video and blog post. Shopify SEO tips. How to optimize a blog post. How to optimize a blog post on Shopify. Shopify SEO tips. Drive more traffic on Shopify. How to add, edit, and create links within a Shopify blog post. Want to increase Shopify sales? Then you need to drive more relevant traffic. The best way is with inbound marketing and by writing more blog posts. In this video, we show you how to optimize your Shopify blog posts to receive better organic Google rankings to drive more traffic and increase SEO authority. Quick review: how to publish a blog post in Shopify. This video tutorial on how to publish a blog post in Shopify will help you start blogging on your Shopify store right away. It's easy. Watch as I show you how to quickly create blog posts in Shopify. With a blog you can promote your products and drive more traffic to your store. Blogging is one of the best ways to promote your products online. How to write a perfect blog post in 1 hour. GOAL. Ultimate Guide to Blogs with Helpful Tips. What is a blog? Simply put, a blog is a tool that can help develop an online presence, attract leads, and engage with an audience. It's often a series of editorial content centered around a central topic that demonstrates industry expertise. Most of a blog's traffic is driven organically. In other words, consumers will search for something on a search engine and click on your blog if it matches their intended topic. However,